Sheybarah Island is environmentally diverse. It's surrounded by beautiful coral seas.
The island is a virgin island and a very unique environment.
This project is unique in so many ways. The need for contractors who will act as partners is really crucial.
Grancraft specializes in the design, manufacture and installation of bespoke metal and glazing works.
Grancraft bring a lot of technical capability to the use of metals in architectural metalwork.
It was a mind-blowing design, very unique.
I loved it from the moment I saw it. This will be the one that will take us to the next level of manufacturing.
See, what we are constructing is a total of 73 villas. 38 of them are overwater villas and 35 of them are beach villas.
To manufacture and install this three-dimensional seamless stainless steel mirror finish, it is really challenging. Nobody has done this before.
We had to come up with a system that could suit the program requirements and not deviate from the aesthetic view that the architect wanted.
Almost every aspect of this job was something different. All the equipment have to be purpose-built just for this project. This was something larger than anything we've attempted before.
Stainless steel by itself is an eco-sustainable material, because if you look at most of the stainless steel that is produced around the world, it uses a lot of recycled material. Second thing is the polished appearance of it. The more you polish stainless steel, the better it is to resist corrosion.
One of the challenges that's been facing construction industry recently is how to build things without first impacting the surrounding.
The plan is to carry out the entire mechanical, electrical, plumbing, fit-out, finishing works, then delivered as complete units in their final position in Saudi Arabia.
Red Sea taking the lead and embracing the off-site manufacturing technology. By doing this, we are showing our commitment to building a sustainable and environmental friendly tourist destination.
Because of the very nature of the stainless steel and the way that interacts with the sea and the island and the mangroves, it will just be stunning.